Welcome this video. Living room partition idea. Enhance space and style. Create zone within a home. Can add original and various. One popular technology is use living room partition, a cover and style away to divide space without compound. Open whether you want to scrolling your living room for a dining area, home office and entrance away partition can serve both functional and aesthetic purpose. We explored the main type of living room partition, their benefit, and create idea to help your fit the perfect solution of your space when you are living room partition. Define space without wall. In open plan home apartment partition help create room without the need and promax wall. This allow for fixed layout and help main interest a scene of open. Add partition. Partition are idea for main interest. Some provide in home when the living area the close to the enhance and kitchen enhance aesthetic with create design partition can become stream focal point that complement your decor. Maximize functional. Some partition built in shade and collabon often story or display space. Type of living room partition. Wood sole partition. Wood sole are popular and modern way to divide space. Various and harmonium allow living and air to pass what create a various boundary then solve interior space. For stick and solutions. Glass partition. Glass partition those with black material frame often a shade elegant look. Throwing glass add privacy while creating glass keep the space feel open. Open shade unit, book shade or open shade work as explored for room divider. Keep allow you to stone and display image like balance plants at well break up the space